Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Artsy Studio. And also, third welcome is welcome to another rug drop review video. I can't remember what I call these. Rug drop preview. I have a lot to show you. So let's jump straight into it. I have 8 wrist rests, keyboard rugs, whatever you want to call them, comfy beds for your wrists while you are working at your desk, at your computer, while you're gaming, whatever. Or actually, I've had people tell me that they've hung them on their wall, which I thought was super cute. So you could do that too. You can do whatever you want with these. First up is this beautiful, super fuzzy blue slime keyboard rug, wrist rest thing. What to call it? I used like a super soft, fuzzy yarn for this keyboard rug. These keyboard rugs, the slime ones, they're just so freaking satisfying. So they do have a non-slip backing so that, you know, whether you have it on like covering your keyboard when you're not using it, or you have it below your keyboard to, you know, use, it's not going to slip and slide around. I love this one. So they're nice, like round little slimes, super fuzzy yarn. I also have this pink slime keyboard rug. Again, super fuzzy yarn. I don't know if you can like, yeah, when I turn it to the side, you can see like how fuzzy it is. So this one is pink. It is so freaking cute. These two also kind of like fade. It's a very subtle, hard to notice fade, but it's like lighter up here and then it gets a bit darker down by the slime blobs. Imagine this at your desk though. It's so cute and it's so soft. The next one that I have is this kind of like early 2000s inspired keyboard rug with the black and white checker and then the two-toned heart. You can kind of see it when I put it up close. It's very distinctly two different colors in real life. You can kind of see it there. It's like a bright neonish pink and then a darker sort of maroonish pink with the black and white checkers. Super freaking satisfying. Oh my god, look at it. That is so cool. Carved to like actual perfection. Look at those squares. I just love them. I feel like this is one that you could also hang on. I mean, you can do whatever you want. You can hang any one of these on the wall, but like, I don't know, this could totally, like if you have a gallery wall or something, this could totally go up there. So this one is one of the like night sky color gradients that I did. So I went from a light gray to a darker gray to a black. This one is so, it just, I don't even know how to explain it. It just like has such a cool vibe. And then I did like these yellow sparkles that definitely don't look like duck feet. The black yarn at the top has like gold foily in it, sparkly. I thought it would look like stars in the night sky. But yeah, absolutely love the color fade. Well, not the color fade, but like sort of the gradient. If you've been like watching my videos, especially for this round of rugs, this frame of rugs, you probably saw all of the issues I was having with the curling. So this one does have, I don't know if I'll be able to show you, but it does have like a little bit of a curl. Obviously, like you can move it around and stuff, but the edges are a little bit of like a whoop. So I just wanted to tell you that. But it still works as like a super cute keyboard rug. I love the sparklies. I also have this one in the most beautiful color gradient, change, no, not color changing. We'll go with gradient. It goes from like a light pink to a lavender to a purple, and then the top lavender, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. I feel like it does not stand out as much as the black and gold. There's a little bit of like an iridescent sparkly in the top lavender section. Got an adorable crescent moon, some stars. Oh my god, I just love it so much. Next up is, no surprise, another color gradient. And this one is like a light yellow to an orange to a very bright pinky orangey, and then some like dreamy beautiful clouds just kind of like sailing by. This one could also, you know what? All of these could go on your wall, like literally all of them. But yeah, this is just like a super warm, summery sky night. Wait, is it sunset or sunrise? God, it's so beautiful. Like the colors are just so like warm and happy. I don't know. I just love surrounding, like putting things in my space, especially my workspace, that have colors that make me happy, you know, because I feel like it helps me be more like productive, just like happy working on my stuff. I love this fade so much. I love that top color. This one also has some like kind of curved and interesting edges, but still works as a perfectly functional keyboard rug, and it's beautiful. Next up is another sky color gradient. This one was my first one. Listen, listen. Oh my God. So it goes from a light yellow to a pink to a lavender, and it is so beautiful. Who are you? All of these, oh my God, look at them together. Wait, oh my God, I have to take a picture of them. Oh my God, these are so cute together. I feel like I really cooked with these, okay? I'm not even gonna, I'm in love with them. We got some fluffy clouds sailing by in this one as well. All right, I have one more to show you. It is this one, the Rainbow Heart keyboard rug. This one makes me so happy. Talk about like having happy colors and happy things in your workspace or whatever your living space. This is the definition. Beautifully carved as well. Pink, purple, blue, green, yellow, and then like that orangey pink in the middle. All right, those were the 8 wrist rests that I had to show you. I love all of them so much. Yeah, look at all of these. I can't grab the blue slime one. That's the only one that's not here. Let's move on to the 3. See, this is why it took me so long. I feel like somehow I was able to make more than I normally do. So this is the like vine covered skull. The color scheme of this one is ridiculous. I absolutely love these like warm tones for this one. So like the skull is this like really nice light toasty color, and then the inside of the, oh my God, it's so like perfect. And then the vines and the leaves. If I ever am like tooting my own horn, it's only ever going to be about my carving skills, I think. I don't know, you know, I don't know. I think I have the gift of rug carving, the really obscure gift of rug carving. It's beautiful. Oh my God. I absolutely love this piece so much. And it's a circle, which is so satisfying. We have like a dark gray out. Everything about this rug. Again, I feel like you could hang this on the wall. I did not put any like hanging hardware on the back, but I do know that people hang rugs, like handmade rugs like this, on the wall with like, if you can get like really thin little nails where if you hammer it in far enough, the little nail is going to get hidden by all of the yarn and like the fibers. So you could totally do that. Okay, next one. Another skull piece. Okay. Another planty skull piece. So this time the greenery is coming out of the broken top of the skull. I love the color scheme of this one too, with like the dark blue in the background of it, and also all of the leaves just like coming out. Absolutely beautiful. So I went with a more like white for the skull of this one, and then a lighter toasty color inside. Beaut. Look at that carve. It's just so, oh my God, with the little, it's kind of like a potted plant, but the pot is a skull. I'm in love with this piece. All right, last but certainly not least is the Rose Ghost rug. I'm so sorry for not being able to shut up about this Rose Ghost rug because I feel like I've just gone crazy about it. Me and my new favorite tiny scissors met through Rose Ghost Rug because I wanted to do like a very light carving for the rose part so that it still felt like the rose was inside of the ghost. So I did that with some scissors instead of my carver. God, and it turned out incredible. Like really, really perfect. And then we've got a thorny stem. The most beautiful lavender outline. Once again, thank you, chat. Thank you, AK. It probably wouldn't have been lavender and white without you guys. So, and it's just so beautiful. It's so, you know what I mean? Like, that's how I feel about this one. He's just so like cutesy. He's romantic. I'm obsessed. I don't know. There might be more ghosts with things in them. All right, now down to the little details. The drop is going to be this Sunday. Let me look at my phone because we all know that I mix dates up. This Sunday, January 12th at 3 p.m. Eastern, so you will have to check what time that is for you. And also make sure you check the listings and like read everything because the dimensions of everything is going to be in the listing description. I will be using Pirate Ship for my shipping, which always gives me pretty good discounts, so I am doing my best to give the best prices. I know that shipping prices are kind of astronomical, and I apologize for that, but I promise you I am doing my best. I do ship outside of the US, but only to like certain places that's not like worldwide. So if you're planning on getting anything, let me know in the comments of this video where you're at, and I can make sure that it's one of the places that I ship to. And if it's not, I can try to add it, unless there are some places that you wouldn't pay the shipping price. It's insane, some places. Every order is gonna get a hand-stamped card like this one. I don't know if it'll have the gold foil. We'll see how I'm feeling when I do the stamping, but I do hand stamp all of my cards, and then I also write you a little note on the other side. And it'll also be wrapped in my super cute hand-stamped paper as well. If you do end up using these, I mean, the keyboard rugs are fine to obviously use with your wrists and stuff, but these, if you use them as floor rugs, they're not for like wiping your shoes on or anything, so I wouldn't put it in any like high traffic area. I wouldn't recommend putting them in the washing machine. I definitely think they will fall apart, and I wouldn't use like a wet vacuum on them, but you can spot clean. The link to my website is down in the description of this video, but it's also in the description of like all of my videos. And it is also here, very easy, Artsymadwoman.biz. So this Sunday at 3 p.m. Eastern, if you're looking to get anything, I suggest putting a timer, or not a timer, an alarm in your phone or something. And I will see you guys on Sunday. Hopefully. Thank y'all so much for watching this video, and if you hung out with me in all of my videos making these pieces, thank you so much. I really appreciate you being here. So anyway, I love y'all to absolute death, and I'll see you guys on Sunday. Goodbye.